To use Descartes Inspector, like other products in the Descartes family, a valid license must be activated. This license can be either local, for a single machine, or network-based, for multiple users. Let's take a closer look at how the licensing system works. Local license. This is the simplest and most commonly used option. A hardware dongle is plugged directly into the USB port of the computer. The program can only be used on that specific device. Example in practice: if you're the only cartographer in the office, a local license will be fully sufficient. Network license. Designed for work groups or entire departments, the dongle and license are stored on a server. Any computer on the local network, or even remotely over the internet, can access the license if one is available. License management is handled by the Sentinel RMS License Manager. How it works: the license server receives a request from a client machine. It checks for an available license. If available, it issues the license, otherwise, access is denied. License configuration via web interface. Licenses are configured using a web panel available at localhost 1947. From this panel, you can enable access to the license from other computers, allow searching for licenses on the network, specify IP addresses or host names allowed to access the license. License update, V2C file. Sometimes a license needs to be updated, for example, when renewing or upgrading. You create a C2V file, a snapshot of the current dongle state. Send it to the vendor. Receive a V2C file containing the updated license. Upload the V2C file via the web interface under the Update or Attached section. Summary: your choice of license depends on the number of users and the structure of your organization. While setup may seem complex at first glance, a properly deployed system runs smoothly and transparently.